Hey guys, Mr. Coffee here again to give you one of my recipes. That's one of those DIY recipes that you basically can do at home. Now this is one of my favorites because, of course, for those that don't like coffee, but you would rather have your nice icy frappuccino, what I have now is frozen hot chocolate. And so, of course, what you're gonna need is a hot chocolate pack that comes like this. And of course, here's the box. And you can make this from home with this one sachet of hot chocolate. And the way you do it simply is, I start off with, a nice amount of ice, a cup of ice. I'm gonna go ahead and add my hot chocolate pack. I'm gonna add some water. Okay. A little cream. And some chocolate. I'm going to also garnish my cup to make it look really nice with chocolate. You won't believe this, but it is pretty much ready to go. Blend this. Oh my God, that looks amazing. A little bit more. Look at that. Frozen hot chocolate. And we're going to garnish this, of course, with whipped cream and chocolate syrup. Wow. This is one of my new recipes for my menu. Frozen hot chocolate. You're gonna love it. Try this at home. We'll see you next time for simple DIY recipes from Mr. Coffee. Bye-bye.